Okay, guys, so today we are going to actually be doing a song about AJ. I don't know why, but because I can. And like all my other song videos that I will ever do, if something turns out wrong, I will not post it. But yeah, so yeah. And let's get started. Ready, set, go. Animal Jam, fighting phantoms, finding what to do. Looking for someone's spikes. I don't know what to do. Some people use Animal Jam as a dating website. I don't know why, but they do. Some people use it to scam other people. Maybe look for personal information, but some don't even get it. Oh, people try to find you, hunt you, look for you. Some may even fight you. Nobody knows of why people do this on an online game, but everybody does something. Some scam, some try to find you. Some just look for rare spikes. Some just try to find the rare items. And some just try to get den bait on. Some just try to kill phantoms, but not me. I do whatever I want. Oh, I'm lifting you up now. I will fight. I will go into a game and win. Whoa, I don't know, but I gotta fight. I don't know what to do, because sometimes you don't know what to do either. You just play it 'cause you can, and you don't know what to do. So I will choose for you. Oh, find friends and join a party. Do whatever you want. Whoa. Try to find some scammers, maybe report them. Check the parties. Make sure nobody is online dating. Whoa. Maybe be an AJ police. Telling AJHQ that people are breaking AJ rules. And you can do that and do whatever you want on AJ. Oh, whoa, AJ is a good game. Yes, it is. So maybe you should play it too. Hey guys, hope you liked the video, and I might be posting this one because it actually was pretty good. But I don't know, but you guys can see I also have 2 other vids to post. So yeah, I don't know what to do. So yeah, I'm probably going to post this one. I actually do get bored on AJ sometimes. But guys, Animal Jam, actually some people do try to scam. Some people do try to track you, but that doesn't change the game. It's just what the game is. Just play it, but since it's fun. I mean, who doesn't like Animal Jam? And yeah. Okay. I just want to do that since I could. But bye, guys. See you next time. And bye.